All right, and also a da trade and ponyankopon aye a de amaye ya sign ave transibio the jumadi aye to this Kumawood entertainment show. Kumawood entertainment show. Yeah, the Braille Life Thursdays be from 10 to 12 noon. And the ensema a coach call Bremai ya de ebrewo. And some no there. Bebre social media newspapers mu na ya hwehwem ne yakeka bom ane nsemo a efiri ya nkasa nso ya so ye eno nso na yakeka ne nyina bom a ye de ebrewo live ewo Kumawood TV ebo non do say ya na wafre wo nua na wo nua nso afre ne nua se emre na so ye mra na emeti entertainment a twa kama pa ye de ebrewo live ene ye won sem bebrebe ya beki kakaka efa ye papa Kennedy Japan ne nsem bia wode tutuja efa stars ne bi ho ebinum ajeje ema wo ho se omwa ena ebinum so enna machire kase enya ye ne ebi nso yatete se ebi nso akọ se omo akopa chew emu nsem bebrebe ye de bebre live ewa ha bullet ho nsem ewa ha one ne ba na se na kwara one no eye adwuma eye wandishe onso ensem ewa ha ene abadwafo tenase a ye beka ho asem kakra Kofi Kinata ko ba bia ko kan asem bi se ono de onye na adwen se ope brofo nyum bi ato because Michael Jackson by no anche da ankoto mfantanyum jade ntina se ono zo to brofo nyum asem we abadwafo betenase na afei ya bobo ho ewa ha Obapa Christie ene ne kunu ne former husband Pastor Love omonso Pastor Love pese okọ na okohwe ne last born ewo Obapa Christie ho ene ne kunu ho omu deny se omo mano hwe akora no ebadwafo tenase a ye be se se be no bia wo na wareja ya ba na mame nkohwe me ba so mame nkohwe no sa also obetimi do adwentre de aba na afi yakenkan de ama ye papa bi so wo ye Reggie Rackstone o secret president ono so abeka se oton awache waje atum komre bi shata wale beka se oni ten awache no oton no se ampa meton awache ba awache ameton menya sika pa eno so hese eba na abadwafo tenase a eno so ye bebobo ho top K ama kodon cancer lewen warning say ensem akoko eba nyina afa Nigel case a honorable Kennedy Japan de ho nsem bebrebe eba onim na so sikumase ade obaye no sa na top K aka ye videos wo ho ye no nso ye bema mo ahwe na afei abadwafo so abobo ho Zach GH enso eye obia na ono na omanaji kodon cancer lewen na eye Prophet Nigel ehye lewen come last year say eye on Zach GH mom na ede padlock akoto na no say nka nyu a woto ne acting nyina no nka ensei na say through Kennedy Japan honorable ne hwehwemu no abadaji se the suffocator bi a friend kakra abeka se saade na sofo no ye nyina na oka ho na emom omo planning ona mo de to Zach so enu to Zach se or the Prophet Nigel ebe court eno nso ye nsem a ibe bobo ho wa na wo nso obetimi de wadwe nkyira ba se na de bia ye no Tesla no at the screen so obetimi afa na wo de wadwe nkyire aba na yenso yakenkan e de ama aye text message na wo de beba na se WhatsApp wo de ba ntem a na fe matimi akenkan e de ama stories in the doors bebrebe entifa Tesla no ye ka ho asem nyina no de opese wo nso de wadwe nkyire ba no na wo de aba ebrepam no so ebebia ho matrofo na tum na wo nso a opese wo frɛ na nsem aye kan wo kan bi no wonso wafre na wo de aba Tesla no 0543596070 0543596070 midin the Samuel Kwabena Dako aka Samdackus mede dwumadi ho chiame ye twa ho sima ye ba abadwafo betena se na afei ye bobo. All right, yes, I'm a Makwaba build about Kumawood Entertainment Show. Sa show we a show ha an information in a free eba. Yeah, but your phone at transit. Say, me wa Frank, a focus, ha. You go so chance a man's bands beba, nafe, ya de baby ashes, but on your my yankodi focus won't come okakra. Ababa. Wiki nyina no de na kokko so wa personally
wiki mu de say because of COVID-19 you know na focus media was so say tribute and the tribute is an amount presenters be move from one radio station to other radio station they also move from one region to other region it's near shene say question also that time I jingle so nyina
Sebia we our station we why jingle
will be on Kumawood TV no be on Fast TV but I think no sort order
there's some way adwuma na edin
to makese say na na do hu emobono meska it's not easy at all it's not easy
wow and there's a more yes sir
questions ni nyina e de bisu kura ejai
bi ma jai
radio no kura so last no station be back there when better offer and good offer you know or business for to ejai kura so these are all some of the things these are some of the things I see you go so corrections no and as say say we say the fixed date we won't change the date okay the pass say amampanyin no and be move for nipa bebe ni more hours that means we need to go back to
okay
ni na no amampanyin for consider go kwan and as say so ja without the mass we fan live am no kwan be fan live focus TV so YouTube
oh on super fan live
focus TV on YouTube so you fan live
oh Kumawood there you be fan live I want say okay say fan live I na man for person beba
and yes. But no, by a virtual there, no matter what, you need to pick a live. So virtual there, say so collide. Yes, yeah, exactly. And the other say, "But sad now. What we do is that stay here. If I say some multimedia, they need part there 200 and 5. Remember, back open up represented the station.
No. Bravo you. Say be a.
If I say Kumawood, you nominate the part 5 for her. They have 5 for now. Remember back open. Average for Kumawood. Yeah.
Yes, Kumawood no. Otu no zo beje ebenya award a. You say the one beje am.
I representing the panel. Okay. That's what I want to do. So be more lively.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, sometimes so sending to phone call to no be into one. It's sometimes boring.
Yeah.
Very, very, very boring. Yeah. See, we are doing all these things. Oh.
But Mama Musa, ebasi any panisha that no so no. Ajum to phone so basi.
Oh, definitely. So you need to have same before the live on Focus TV, Kumawood TV, you know. And some motivate emotion, you know. And said they should be entertained.
Okay.
And because it's a very boring. Say I want to go on, I want to be gospel morning show. The DJ of the year very, very boring.
Okay.
And Charles, we need to have live band. And the artists are 1 or 2 of the past to teach those who are watching. And the mom almost be artists we were up way back, artists we back. Some of them are fans, so to keep them watching. Sanity.
All right. So dates ne time ne adin na
29th August. Already at my own National Theatre. Na time 8 p.m. 8 p.m. 29th August. The whole Ghana show. Was a Focus Media Awards. The whole Ghana show. And
basically presenters.
Radio presenters. Yes, across Ghana.
TV for Nkang.
Pato TV for Nyama TV.
And say mo mfa ye Nkang.
Oh yeah, and say for mo Nkang na adwuma radio no ko no better. And also radio no, the man Focus Media Awards demonstration say, we cover the whole system regions. Also, it's a bit no yellow, young grand form one, they present by yellow. Say, talent go on Upper East. We need to recognize it. Talent go on Western region. We need to recognize it. And the baby don't forget say, one a bit demand, I know some of the presenters are. Nana from Kumasi, not go back to Central region, back to so a bit to Accra. What did he?
Okay.
So many people. Oh, tickets, through her,
yeah. Big.
Yes, Ali. But you see, smart money now, through Kumasi, through other regions. They are big. Oh, but you say, I'm going to say, but the talent, some of the talent are on Western, Central, North, Eastern. They are big talent. So now they've all gone to Accra, Kingdom Class, but no money now Eastern region. So the talent is cut across. But don't say, I'm going to say, one waiting, Accra. But focus, that is not our budget, our test. We want to also nurture talent.
Venue no be.
National Theatre,
Yes, so we say we hear from Kumasi cry.
Oh, many from Kumasi, but the fact of the matter.
Kumasi now start no.
Oh, they say Kumasi chair from. You mean you Kumasi the start.
No, what? But the man. For last year, you know Accra.
Exactly.
This year, so you know.
Me say Kumasi ni wo ye Kumawood awards. Na Kumasi ni tibika say on the tibika say on the
plan here my good.
Bigu na. This mentality.
No, no, so ogunu.
No, but you say what be na be na.
Oh, no, so plan good.
Let me tell you something. What people forget is that there are some award schemes when they leave the system, you will never get an award. Who can I know?
No, because
they are two members. They go
no. What can you beat ya? What? That's
what. Na beat as we speak. Ghana play nomination. Amazon or beat.
It's a good local name and na.
You go na. About Jimmy, akosusu no.
Thank you.
You will come and swallow me.
That's it.
And let me tell you something. If we are seeing in our Bible, the actor was assassinated also. When you are recognized as an actor, not actress, not a boss, but you be in one mouth. Say, who be a human in an one actor. A man a fake if you don't know. Jay-Z Munina for BT Jay-Z with all the money he has. Beyonce Munina for transit. Econ, Scum Munina, Uncotrans Boko, or Marina, or Moon Planation could be. Now, even they don't go
foreign artists look around. So, call a be a more damn one. Na you nominating no. No way nya award na. Na wa laminating kase.
Na say nomination no.
E no quiet.
Some nomination no quiet beba. Nomination no quiet keke no. Who the trust you?
Of course.
Me say meaning presenters be and actors be makoyo music bena. The minya nomination way from Nollywood. Minya nomination way from Kumawood. Minya nomination room. And then I said presenter be but you know Sadia. They want to know from that. No sir, the city proposal sponsors only free.
Kumawood obi make say oh enua na me am aye and but obe condemn this is you. No they okay.
I think Africa we have
and there stories and those.
Oh yes, I know but make him no ability. Africa helping other people climb up is our biggest problem.
Yeah.
That's say Simon say Steve we you boy money here I don't lose anything.
Yeah.
I don't lose anything in my life. If you could ask them to benefit, if you ask them to show American Focus Media also.
Of course, yeah.
I benefit. It's what is the essence of pulling somebody down? For what reason? So why you're not saying if now person obey ya, men can want some kura. That's not bad. That is all. And I believe that if we learn to do that, see a better boy and support you one, Africa will go far. Okay. We are not going far because of that.
Okay.
Because Brofono, when him say China for no back and when him say I'm on mine was car. So free couldn't grab baby
of course somebody amount. Yes. It's almost spread this.
And you know when you make the money, you are coming back to hometown.
Okay.
You are paying the money and you are paying with interest. But yeah, a man's baby, yes, no, man's back. You dress the crowd to say no, you can no they dresses. I must pass to dress.
A time will come out with the TV back home.
Oh yes, of course. The percent if you 10th we know edition no. Also they say 9th edition.
Yeah.
Next year 10th edition because TV for the bloggers, even bloggers for cry. They feel they are so working, they need to be recognized.
Yeah.
They didn't have a come out said man
Edding.
Pass, I mean. And then Mona Mukramo tell
but we are surprised. Kumawood online radio.
Oh, okay.
I started.
Oh, good. Most congratulations.
So quite true.
Oh, okay.
Be a
congratulations. Chairman.
Oh yeah, but in your lunch you know.
Oh no, but let me say something. Lunch and quiet shatra. Let me shatra. But congratulations to you and your team.
And back all the online.
And I make a come here. And I'm talking. Oh, definitely. And I say because a blog is online phone pressure. But congratulations to you and your team.
Yeah.
But you know, so Frank, Tina, and then the other ladies.
Augustina.
Law.
Yeah.
And now you took a second question. Took a second game. AG.
Yeah.
Congratulations to all of you for a good job done.
And no penalty me describe no.
Oh, so there are certain things it's easy for you to say to.
Mamen call Amanziba.
There are certain things and my own parent. Ever say, oh, can't to see one kind of make a answer. So I'm my own them. But can't go to know that oh, Papa now we move out and make a turn out the exactly. As the one tremble when you are to mean this. None of them go take it.
Okay. When you go share entertainment show, we air live. I feel can I shall say. Nakasi no eba. Amanziba at. And boom the same. I'm offended there. No, every day in and out. Yeah, may share the over to my.
Oh, sir.
Anyway, Aquaba. This week, then of course, one gets our lifestyle.
Basically, from 7 weeks in the whole year,
yeah.
From Monday out.
Say no, and I'm saying but week Thursday be a week.
Okay. Okay. Things have been very smooth for me. Just that I said, there's no money in the system. It's a map of my cry. I'm hoping it's a fancy.
But we won't castle to my drive.
You see, let me tell you, some Nipa, I'll be able to say, me, what I eat, I consider it that much. Right. But what I wear, no, you have seen.
No, somewhere they are not. The ocean no here on change the obedi.
You see, what I eat. It's equally important to me. But what I wear, no.
So you mean you dey pa na important to you?
It's my outlook.
Wow.
Yeah. Say I don't represent it and I say present who you are.
But you can't be who you are without thinking about what you eat.
Oh yes, like
say the what dia ko mu no enye na ebema wo body no aye we ya the other be body no dey mfa ho.
Some you see obi wo no naturally no enye duane and ebema na I can say ebema na say duane so kan obi na ebema o fresh no look smoother.
Yeah.
Me here ni na.
Okay.
Say but me personally no me out of mood na me pa. The reason is that say me pay few my Vietnam. Only me. You know what I'm thinking?
No.
You don't know. But what I'm wearing, the whole body seeing it. Okay. If you say every time you see, if you say penny, so here. All
right.
So if everybody is seeing that, you need to also, carve it well.
Anyway, I think the point no, well said. Yeah, caught your main topics. And last week it beat me. This week my name beat me. If I just 1 minute.
Some Ubisa Frank said, me say, into Oyifi Kumasi. Me, what I also want to ask is, I say, Oyifi Kumasi or Nifi Kumasi, what is the relevance? Ne fire primacy, the fire by Indian, say, again, a better, and said, of course, will be around a belly be up to the expectation.
Yeah.
Right. That's what me I'm looking at. Say, I didn't know how unless I have for no more who's let's say few on one side. Why do we still want to be standing back and still?
Yeah, I'm person who say, person who say, a dent in a more year free because Sibia amanfo na support na ehu ne aka ho asem se ente sa na bia ono pese o de call rounds ba ne no so yehu ne aka ho asem
so me honestly speaking Frank event focus my presenting awards on it I think on 2 consecutive occasions but looking at the friend saying oh you free Hanam and also changing venue from Kumasi to Accra truth be told I think said the support the Accra support it's very high. The Accra support is very high as compared to the Kumasi support. Ocean National Theatre, the size. Let's also go into conference size around. They are comparable. It's like comparing oranges to apple. Even when going to the conference, let's say National Theatre, Eboma, strategically in the fence, logically, it makes sense putting it there than I don't it's all this kind of shame but in as much as I can win and I also just say my Frank so anything and share no more beer. Okay. About my idea ABC what I say. Sure. And in the channel. Meanwhile, James then you were saying about virtual concert now business will people be there be there. You see again it's not to be a free so and then not in a year. You numbers in Kwana Kosro. You should also be mindful so about a friend said this 10th edition. He will look at those aspects to us and also respect the protocols. If you say be a nipper or be an auditorium ready 100 but don't forget say logistics side your friend said it will be our work, will be our side, your information aspect, ticketing, security. What did you can one? Nipa one shall bet auditorium, no one shall move even 20. Yeah. I'm being blunt. Yeah, sure. Because money now. Last time there should be standby. There are some people cry and say, there should be standby people in there. Maybe I don't check your some money now. Say the amount after Chime, a Bibian touch him, whatever that's happening. Yeah. And he said, oh, check some money now. That means auditorium, Nipa Bebe 20 and 30. What I say? Yeah. He should also look at those dignitaries be obeying by two or more. Not virtually, no. It is virtual. It's a virtual show, but no, not a friends, business wise or another money. But Frank, a free show, and I said, when we get closer, the bit we say the free show and then free show. So I told you, say we're looking at say if the government should open up more. Yeah. So open up more. Which is the YouTube, the e-concept now. This they said, but now say creative content is on the YouTube account. No more people that will watch that will make him get that money. Yeah, I higher than even the people who come in there. Let's even imagine say, oh yeah, and then the nanny pa a share. It's about 10 million. 10 million will be a share to $1. He's about $11 million rich. Yeah. What I said. No, but I understand it. No, that is the point. That's why the trend is. He's about 11 million friends rich. But what again? We also need to look at it and say, the virtual itself has its own style and way of doing it, right? On consider someone you know on share on my baby there and court send the back corner. Then obey you see. Me channel I you know I am rich. Yes, me channel one thing. So to me getting the cameras around interviews now for near no. He gets all those things since on the 2 page now. Trust me, people that will watch in there will make him even richer than even people that will come in there to make money. Because now or the same content now that's the issue now. That is the issue, yeah. Or the same content for money, the bigger viewership. That's the social media type. You consider the Facebook, the YouTube, the IG, the blah blah blah. You understand it? Or the same content in your man. That's something so even 1 million people. I think that I'm a key very good point. Thanks for that advice. Consider free consultancy. Mama. Why I'm scared because the beautiful trouble. That is the end. The beautiful food. Samdackus me from. Me say we are free consultancy. But what you focus media. Oh, now sir, the issue is that me say I say free consultation. Freedom say we me the fufu. It's no free consultancy. Okay. No me say Samdackus. All right. Yeah, we are Kumawood entertainment show. My name is Sean. Oh, show no.
na ubusa se na Kumawood was so dabe ebeba so minim se oka omo ye se yenwu no dia na sure say we can because I know say we support.
No, but some tell him say tell Sean say it's been put on hold for some time.
I send it.
No?
Yeah.
You revive it.
Of course, definitely you back. But senka me try say me nyaw na ka me ne artist no akasa. But as a man me nyaw.
Ah, that is well.
I know manage
so
Kodo.
Oh, yeah, okay, yeah, he's the manager. Kodo. Lewen.
Until now, come by some no cassa, but me try. And next stories no, the D won't be.
I'm sure Uncle Flabroa, Matisse says I'm running in the UPL.
Oh, sir.
Yes.
But news to me.
This is really news to me. I'm hearing for it.
But I mean, say Sean any PL.
No, Sean is the manager.
From the angle where I'm coming from, I heard said.
Okay.
Quite recently, EBRC Abro was introduced as the new PRO for.
No, it's official.
It is.
I said, could you nangaza deba?
It is official.
Okay, all right. Let's hold on for that. Your story, your first story, na fe say Canada, Japan, honorable. The case ya bebe ya. When I just saw bobo stars beer, Nigel, and no mako out pain near the. Miss Bell about out, but I said, I was a man for target again. And also, on your show, say, or no dear, when you go out of that. But still, a man for and you say,
when one go out,
on Nigel, and go out. But still, a man for social media, and my mom said, we could say, we will reput that. And
repeat 2 times and 3 times.
And I said, repeat any. And one of the presenters, one of the station, Orca say, I am the correct. Say, Miss Bell, Papa, I am sada, man, ferry bread out Nabeka. Now, my own who say, A, B, and now, son of a panetier. Now, young, but also, I deny, and I quite said, oh, the agenda is I say, back, hacking back, second one, I'm not going to the recruiter. You understand the
Samen, good. We are constituting one question. Miss Bell and Zach, they are both together number one.
No, Zach, they have about.
Miss Bell has just been referring to economical issue. This issue is not something new to some of us in the industry. I remember I said some time ago, it wasn't this year, I think somewhere last year, so last 2 years more, maybe, if my memory really serves me right. Now it's Angel FM, so here in Kumasi, we said it said, then we broke the story, said there has been some rape case involving a man of God, Bima, and Fennis, and a musician also involved. Yeah, kind of, you see, Miss Bell came out to rubbishing the issue, said it's not true. And we did our search.
Very quickly, Sean, the message via Bamame and Kawase. One, I say I'm not against Kumawood. I support whatever Kumasi bring on board. And I also say, I say, watching me Akwadanya me and the current PR for Kodu. Abro, say abro nye PR. And I also just standing re-engine.
Reigning manager.
Standing reigning manager. And then.
Say about the no le gusto di na ho only to me as a manager on the way.
Okay. Let's treat this with kick blows. You let's move on with our issue.
As this go through.
Okay.
Yeah,
I don't want to.
Momra out now official PRO and I say.
Oh, but official PRO is Akorenya. That is why okay, you sound a good question.
Yeah.
Also, it's not official.
Yeah.
And also, I don't know the baby. And now the manager of Lewen is saying, any two. It's still the Akorenya. Who is the PR of Lewen?
When we are massaging ourselves and making sure that that's how it is now. That's up to us. That's also what that. That's up to us.
But says all clear. I mean, we say
from where
only a manager and a PRO.
Where I had it.
Abroad there, they don't know the good baby can answer.
No, they were big.
It's the official one from.
That's okay. I mean, I don't want to also take this one.
It's the
anyway. We say when this Miss Bell issue came up, we delved into it a bit and we pushed some calls to Ms. Murray. She denied those things. It is palpable for us. We didn't really got into it that much. But me personally, maybe DHA. And when we broke the news on radio, I think those times about 2 years ago on Angel FM, or 3 years ago on Angel FM, Ms. Bell denied that fact that she's been raped by the supposed quote Yehovah, aka friends Niger Gazing, right? Say he was raping her. But later, you know, now some big shots in the opposition party, that's NDC, have gone behind the scenes to actually, mend issues. Say, a friend said, Miss Benin Niger Gazing, try some of the issues so that the issues wouldn't come up. You see, Niger Gazing is in quote, right? I said, or Tatana was an NDC pastor in Jabibiano, or yet Bibiana. I said, when anything bad comes in now, it's the opposition party that comes in supporting Niger Gazing. Yeah. And you can't or say, you can't say, fast forwarding. I think someone last year said, early last year on Love FMA, we called Niger Gazing. And I put it to him, say, me, I do not see him as a man of God. He went insulting a person, and I told him, to me, I am beyond those things. Right. Okay. On radio. Oh yes, on radio. Love FM in Kumasi. And then catching some maybe beyond sana on normal occultic normal stuff they do. Me I am beyond those sana because I worship a supreme God, not a lesser known God like what they are doing. Okay. Oh, he said a whole lot. Emma before me by any asiponi na left. It is when this issue came on, then even someone. The host of the show then at Angel FM called me and says, I'm when this happened some years back, okay, now so so-called or so fully now walk because me marketers on or see Bible say by their fruit you shall know them.
And then you know things on your Yaminipa.
Same you see let me who say or you more of a conducting thing a psychology and I saw you smart at home so no you know how to do it. What you say? As me say I'll cry say for ebia o cry die ebia me fancy Monday what is jojo I say David so me do that mean say e from Thursday to Friday move back na be so me ya wada I say me catch her now so nim prefer say from Monday to Friday we have 5 days when Monday free mo I got Tuesday Wednesday Thursday Friday 4 days na kan e dey back over e be ya wada it's local we ya unya hwe and again so utiete someone na those times na e ba na ho they say the normal na wo ye they said the way man he acts no who say obi a say blame ya me ho mo ni mo no
yeah cut straight to the point Miss Bird here I was so o ma ye who say oh I am correct why did be say
me say
na yentimi at least you say okay
I said what I'm saying is that Miss Bird is being economical with the issue on per se obesi asem su diapi but you see one kwesi aboaje on PCFM home interview Miss Bell it's on social media interview Miss Bell push Miss Bell to the extreme say or see kwesi I said I don't want to talk about this things again yeah resolve issues no until me person make one asem obiam and then you say what sporting are they playing sporting or they here no she couldn't say it you see that rape issue no so it is true I am correct. Niger Gazing raped Miss Bell.
You weren't there, so
no, I wasn't there. But see, Samito, me see issue a true na so for you. Ne so for issue ne ba bontion. Issue ne ba bonten. E ma na so for bi. I don't mean person Bob go phone because they are still with him. Some people are still with him. E ma ye ni bi kasa ya ni ba ka say bra. Say who could be maybe cancer some way me bo bi ya be nyam. What I say, and I can also disclose whoever told me that thing, but that thing happened between Miss Bell and the first Niger Gazing or Rapino. There was a rape in there. Until I do not understand why Miss Bell is trying to shout the first and they share their issues. Speak it, but you see, they're telling them, for let's say home. Still, no, the reason I'm saying she's been economical.
Yes, Basa, you're raping twice.
Fine. You see, the reason why I'm saying she's been economical with the issue now. Whatever.
And as I rape we now the first rape.
No, me I only know this one.
Okay.
Me say Miss Ben has been economical with the issues because so share happiness in the way a man and no man corner. So often said no, near agree on no, well, and then pedophobia no. Oh, you are big show. I mean, big people in this country.
Yeah.
To the status of some even president and staff. A big movie. What I say, no more can say no. Any high profile ministers, former ministers, this will be more can say no. Emma, what was supposed to be done for Miss Bernard has been done. It is a bad sign. That's what that means. Of course, I said,
betrayal or more.
Snitching on that. That's the more reason why Miss Bernard doesn't want to speak out again. No, in quote. Because of those high big profile people involved, and of listen, no, let me give them or accord them that respect, so that they will say, but I've turned my back again. But we talk, we said, let it sleep.
Okay.
But you are reviving this thing again. What I say, and when it also happens to him, someone also happens to now rape. Even if you be raped for 10, 20 years, it is still rape. Because the woman has for any offense, Bill Gates, Bill Clinton, some things that they did, if it was
more better politics, yeah.
And say a rape, that means that said that issue, no, it has to be brought back, it has to be rekindled and brought back so that Nigeria will face those things. And to me, that's okay, fine. If I keep quiet and they say silence is golden, let me just keep quiet on it. I know radio people will call me, people will put that speculations and stuff in the media. No? Let me just keep quiet on it. When I keep quiet, now, day 2, 3, it will die. What I say? And that's the approach she has taken now. I feel say the friend
okay.
She's sharing the truth. What I say, a band say big artists like Miss Bell will be a way to the movement. Who would the next so-called or software I deal with Eddie Tiawa. Let's all catch himself and waiting. What does it do? Say, own kind of friend of my young China Swan. What so do you be a bell then?
Okay, Tesla is 0543596070. 0543596070. Bet me the with text message on our WhatsApp at the aba. Yes, answer Facebook Live. Kumawood TV. Facebook Live. Okoha. Bet me at the.
What didn't say after 1 hour? I can kind of the amount. YouTube and so yes, Samdackus TV. Samdackus TV or YouTube. And also bet me and I can watch it at the and my call Frank. Your take on that.
Something that I say, here at the phone. Some assuming how a man's back is massaging it. Manako say, I say, Miss Bernier, I could to be a 7 previous. Own the oil and I say, and I can akadia. And I shall be repona onimra. On at least onimra. Why a cat female artist or Ghana. He sounds tall. Some days ago, he still trains in the system. Now, seven predecessor. Yakotono mona. Tin you. Yatono mona. Also, mona yatono men can once. And for me, the Mabe cassette. And you don't mona to one. Atomino. Men can once. What are you telling us?
So, no, bet me desires on. That one there.
First of all,
no, bet me desires on.
Very good. Before a lady would decide, say, 7 predecessors, Samdackus the mother, and I want to be mona men can once. That the lady know good reason not to talk about it. We are not. If I'm not assuming say no correct. I have not accepted it so far. So far, by them say, unless a bit catch them say, I am back, not evidence back. And yes, I mean, and then, oh yes, it's a fact. It's, I'm telling you. Listen, on himself, a man be can even plot say something. Only now did it all right, okay. But when trying to carry your bit back as a war for them. Only in negotiate the outcome of the man say no man or case one farm and go to say oh for so. Some women do that.
And we also in the process no for some but one will jail mama.
That man do not cross them about no call them about Africa from mad rose and no call them only in the out of 10 it would be to be now. What power some man to set on one corner no jail mama easy. But they can now open your I say only for I don't think put this our Lord to buy and said Mr. And I'm so our never go Africa.
Yeah,
it's true.
Of also,
now also without the consent of the woman. So banan tiasiama
That means a Frank. We are corporate.
Me family cotton.
And the man of Frank.
You see, family cotton. You see,
why you almost and
so
you
I say, or the because of say I go abundantly. Let me tell you something. I see somebody say, on to say, Mesba will come out and prove with evidence because Mesba nyakra. Oh, was a serious. Some Mesba power be out on the mona, but to a jam manaka. Then person can want something. For because
of the high profile people in
high profile people. But I won't know some now with the
former president.
It's a lie. It's a lie.
Oh, Frank.
No former president will condone. See how the poor because see, oh, part of man. It's not true.
Frank,
my brother, my brother.
Know.
And then you don't know.
Frank.
Sammy.
Frank. Yes, but when we broke this issue, she denied it.
And she still standing by that.
Frank,
she still standing by it. And then
it is true.
My brother. See, nipa na mo si ato mo na no. Nipa na say, enya no kuro, yen to me mo na. O si there bi ato mo na. Ase me boy.
Me say, no akasa say. Issue na happen between Onono and Jagezi. On person be come asem.
On person be come asem because of what? Because it means what you said is not true.
No, that's not. Sir,
me the man didn't say. What my the question? Ono na ko lie. But I never read aspect. Na man tema good radio. This is what is it about? Suffer.
Anyway, suffer your buffer. Suffer feelings.
Na suffer no ma.
Na le suffer ire.
Okay, yet to aso.
We untempera.
Pamcho mo fa. Oh,
It was only okay, okay, man.
No, man, retract.
Well,
retract it.
I'm not no, you're only retract it. That's the same. It's the same. As
retract what you said.
As I'm saying. And I'm still saying. I'm retracting. I'm retracting. I'm going to go. Okay, me can okay. As I'm can no. I'm going to go the party. Sorry.
This one is.
Wait, I said my name is Opare Prince. I'm watching you live from Akoko. Honorable Ken Japan should keep the fire
burning. I love him. You people are doing great job. All right. Also message on there, but also bet me the dear abana pe yakin kind at the amount. Yeah, call Bullet. So Bullet musician or a writer or a name be or boy artist be producer be na last week more no yenua Romeo our presenter one of the sister station in Accra a interview when she na munu na she work out as the people no question bia na opatre say o video na evidence ni na o oni bullets e wo bibi ye te e be ye nsem bebrebe wo Ghana ha e ma bi kura
say ama bullet kra so na my girlfriend the jang some doors when a bullet na kasaba out about cancer but the go fu pa just say nsem bi kura ka video mu no viewers mo fa ncheme se me bo sa video no but yenko video no mra ye ba na badwafo nso akire
Say them dey kakaya no momfa nche me sensem bi wo ha o kan no at this time momfa nche me but ye ne bu na afu say ne amanfo de nsem tutu no so o kan no wo mu kra say ono ne maame ne papa kra ni ho wo ye brefo ono ana struggle kakra but mo sorry na mo kan ho nsem ebisi wa yesei and no says ono kra no sebe school no kra wan ko bi but ono anu nyansa ne nyame nim de ode amba no say we musician no odidi hu ba mo try say wo be super no na mo gunani mo ase ase e ma no kra bi wo ha e bia ne personality no kra no musicians be be mpe no but na mo de ta say why I'm starting free also Sefa and my assembly.
Oh yes, yes. Because in my own carbon because my house sort of penny. Oh, there's a sort of penny near counseling. Let me take
the person who say, "Yeah, I'm not for tagging." He won't say,
"It means the part smells the me say tag me bebre."
But no, so sound say that is especially the way I cross I cook. That is Anna. That is
okay. And take us
the show is one of the nicest show I've ever. I say, I know one man's by to me to have I say, Frank, see. Then sometimes he portrays it. Says everybody as open mouth because you probably might have more female friends.
Yeah.
There are people who love female friends than male friends.
Yeah.
And I mean, before baby back in school. Back in school now more female friends because of it being a Ghana. Because if you're it's a farm man and horse out in the Ghana.
Okay.
But I had a young woman, you're man, you're free.
When you're free, penny attack you.
Some about whom some female friends are, he just tagged me with it. But the fact of the matter is that you can't in your so sound say exana and this. Some bullets. You see, yes, baby, a musi baby. You see, this thing they said about bullets, I am a kind of why who video. The band of backup men who say, and yet true say, all these ladies are accusing no. And the can answer them. Don't forget, say, Ebony dear, the bedroom or Papa Crab house. Say, bullets on Ebony here. Because you need, she not need. Okay, so what will you bet them do some person? I'm a crab papa. Because I answer natural. Then, let's see, I am a gay jam. The gay jam and that means it's true. So, when do you be?
There been a say, I don't buy out na man for can be a girl no. Again say.
Come on. Oyere. Say me better say what is say who am plan for baby the about here. Does it stop says oja na? No. It means that if there's that it is too sudden again then it means get any evidence na Romeo can.
Okay, that not
yes. Because if not, me just say me better as my wife better say me dream parent you see I go see some artist or dream parent.
This be on evidence.
Oh, I mean, what is the Bible no crown?
Now on evidence of say no say.
Even the Bible says so go na po ade kwa tra ho. Even the Bible. Or see, so what in mpo no. So po ade o ma two options. So mpa no wajai. But so pe kwa the Bible you said to stay on. It will let the woman live. E dey so jabule dada. E no dey jano. And a bullet soon ya ko the John now or person young crop. Yeah, the target, and I say, yes, Massa, as somebody probably be back and be another crown.
And to the old things they worry.
Oh, Massa, you could cry with flock about it. Oh, nah, you name before you go school, go there. It's a fact. You go school, now, man,
so why be our successful in school and first school? Oh, I know, there's no person that said, one go school. That's my book school about as a president of your ultimate. Oh, let's be sincere. Dr. Kokuti, you know, they worry us 125.
and it's still counting. Oh, Omukra has to be Pedasa, Yenim Omukra, no Mawukra, oh, we are more to the only official one. Let's be sincere. Baby, if you back, say, Cacao, now one for Christian Apostol man, with my law.
Now, drop push up.
And I'm because of you, person, you are my baby, don't mind your cannon. No can of French train. The brother here say, are you warm? That is all. No, you win for in as a glass for ma. Namen I have done and what will be action so, and I do be about to Moson do somebody. And also interest ultimate new home, Debbie, and no more coin as I ultimate new home. Oh, no, Martin could be between that 10 o'clock. Some of the ladies can give him match free of charge. So your brand can you be no now get you should match name man before so you should match. Because both my match you will know we so bit many break can be chase can say for match.
Chelsea ni match basa match.
We are going to say team so pray. It's no one match me can
be Barcelona match.
A man member could be a once in America. So one man's best friend so baby but for Rasta no go so man very nice. Also a nice guy. Also I go mass up. Now Samdackus do. Now go for me.
They went in oil brand no mark.
Exactly. No, the brand oh, let's be real. The brand cannot be only on TV. And the credit said the brand is not only on TV. It goes beyond. And I tell you na be about more. Let me be frank with you. If you are not na kwa me pomo, what better to do no show man. Say we be
there.
Oh, we share Sudan. So they are for. And I'm so about for 2 years. What I want Bullet to come and tell us that. Oh, nice, say this, no, can no, let us know the truth. So, me, my cousin, Krumha, a man, member, dance, a man, member, farm. It is easy as that. Especially, also, Ben. Do you know why some man gets to do their secretary? One man, because of the secretary, no. But because of the continuous meeting and continuous talking. Being there for the person, opportunity for the man.
Okay.
As everyone said, only 80. Not more secretary. And you know why now, man. The way in Manta things go, no. Wait up. What's up, father? Because they are in the office. Oh, good idea. What's it? They are in the office. Only the Nico. It's a young Christopher. And it's of deal with this one. Let's see the episode of the year. You can do it. Because he's closer to you. And let me tell you, a man, how many times, yeah, so Ben was crabby. No, not comfort a crabby. She can remain there.
Okay.
Now the boy, no man, attention, a crowd, now man, she can remain. So Bullet should come and tell us the truth.
So the audio.
And what we have, I tell
Mamma call Ambassador on fire on the take him on this.
Sammy, what is pretty wrong with if say Bullet a bit everyone is sorry when they say may everyone show rest in peace. You see what is pretty wrong with Bullet?
They are wrong when they say Bullet is serious way on in the war. Now finish. And the money wrong.
And the money wrong. But whoever says friends polygamy and I say friends and plan you do what you know it is against the friends the rules and the regulations.
And the room you say fine. So but what do there? And the minimum say only out.
Is Bullet accountable to Romeo? So I'm just asking a very simple question. Bullet is he accountable to Romeo? He is a presenter. He should just concentrate on his work. And leave me to also concentrate on my work. Whether say Bullet and friends and when they say has something to do, no, that is none of Romeo's problem. Yeah. And then Romeo can't also tell us, say, why he's sitting home, he hasn't even dated anybody in the industry. He can't say that. So, I mean, you see, this sort of hypocrisy is what me I don't like. Men, I'm being blunt to you today, and I'm saying this. Me say in female artist management, right? So I mean, when they come, you don't date them, you can't tame them.
Okay.
Till when they come,
you don't date them. To me, one antenna. That one antenna. When they. That's what you mean. Date you, Obaka say.
Fine. So what kind of tree? That's.
The kind of tree.
When they tina. You can't take the
person. See a date.
So what in I had to go on one taxi and which you want to us.
Eti mebo mention. Eti would you go would issue no? Aya obugu ya no let big acquisition. But what you say na maybe sir. Only a fear that's this your no this your breast big breast girl. Oh that said all can't tell me no
man kind of want it be ala if you was no you know.
Oh Sammy said oh can man can let him say.
Yen can pass from
me can say that me say okay.
No, but one more story, sad story, so there. It became an issue. No, me, I'll be happy so that he clears it. He says that I'll clear my image out of that place. What I say, I want him to do that so that I'll clear that place. So
because I said not clear that, and I didn't clear Honda, and I also find it very nice.
Oh, I've said this thing time and time on so many platforms.
Oh no, Kumawood platform.
Oh, minimum some I work on.
And you all can say no briefly.
But only my okay, say it.
Oh, Debbie, who said now on manager game? What the sound of gay and no for baby Safia. And my bar said, sorry, bar said, on the bigger quiz and then they come Safia. Sometimes no man's not managing on. It's Oka says, man, the one man. Debbie, the Oka said, a man's back, I said, a man of office to be manager we are. This is a bit on the chamber. So the bear about my calm down, my water, my money. And I mean, that's Safia, you know. It's not sound and the Koya.
Yeah, no.
That's Sammy. Oh, say, Debbie. He didn't just say, I'm asking you to say yes or no. That's what he.
No, okay. Sammy said say yes or no.
No, I can't say that. Sammy make me to say, but listen. One, I have never had an issue with Bigger Quiz. I've never had an issue with him before.
Okay.
Nesansu doesn't mean Safia, I manage Safia, but the fact in the matter is that you see, because I didn't because I didn't date there, you know, there are a lot of things.
I'm not successful.
She didn't understand a lot of things.
It's one and
see, because we didn't date. Oh, she's a woman. What's really wrong with her?
Now,
of course, all of her. All of her.
It's not the work on
Miss Tiasema or say, I don't come and say, if I did that,
what try, sir?
No, I didn't, but I didn't do that with her. But the fact is that we didn't date. If we dated now, I would have. That's the thing.
And to also purchase bullet issue. What kind of meeting or dating?
No, Sammy, you see, my main concern is you see when you are doing investment. All your investment is investment now. You don't have interest in the investment now. It will go waste.
No.
Me patch tea.
But the whole creature said tea bullets. Girl not can so much. And now everybody can some chair. Mama can so much in now.
Oh, me patch. That's what me I'm saying. No, don't cook your own story and put it in my. Me say that one. I'm not in your mind to even know what you are trying to figure out. And I'm saying, what I said, it's quite different. It's different. Me say if it's me.
Also, one Safia and dating tea. Man to me and.
And I hear come bullet them so okay. What you're saying, meaning say bullet when the shape movie I will be a cause with the 7 seconds.
No, me I don't. That one me I don't know. I don't want to poke into that issue. Say, or not that something in that. But what I'm saying is, say, whether something not that, that's something not triple, something in triple. What's the big deal about it? So me, it cuts across all over. So for worry, so for me, your friends are sorting my triple. So for me, your friends quite for their tone, you know. Or what do you? What's really wrong with it? If bullets also dating your friends when they say, Pop Daddy, and they see your friends Jennifer Lopez. Nicole Sharenzinga, friends, Cassie. All the trouble now. You understand it? You see what I'm saying is when you are dating, when you are managing a female artist, it's always good when you date her, you'll be able to tame her, control her better.
Okay, that's your point.
What you say?
That's your point.
But let me come to the bullet issue. On the bullet issue, no, me I feel say. Nana Romeo is just trying to create a fence, export out of the fence the right milk. He's spoken a lot of issues, which Nana Romeo said, me as an artist, as an artist, if you are coming for an interview now, yes, we agree on terms and where we are going. It's promotional interview.
Yeah.
This is not personal interview.
Yeah.
Personal interview doesn't come with a friend asking about my private life.
Yeah.
What I said, but there might be one or two people who say you are trying to, I said, oh, o person obisa say no obisa that's what obisa ba kunu wa oja no akọ but when you realize say it was a personal thing and agenda Romeo feel say he has to
who say oba no say that prepare
let me do something to always make my entity get that mileage, right? And again he got that attention one because now Akoko says now he's done it with Kiddy until all eyes were on him. Okay, fine, we are watching with the shade to how we go like, and through he triggered it and it went.
Okay.
Maybe there, Sammy, I do not see anything wrong.
Okay.
I do not see anything wrong with bullet dating a friend and with the shade. But be anyhow.
All right, Bonnie be anyhow. Amanziba and a day Abba Medical can say test line no at that screen so. Obeti ma fact now the text message at the Abana pay. So you can we say I am Debola from Agogo. Okay, I'm advising Obapa Christie not to allow Pastor Love to pay visit to his last born. Okay, on that note, yenko story about Pastor Love. Epese okoshe ne ba on ne ex-wife Obapa Christie. Before na Christian Love, and I say or the Obapa Christie. Now Obapa Christie ne ma and I say last born of Pastor Corveno no. Any ni kuna wawari say ena eti na Pastor Love epese okohwe se ne akora no ehu sitie ena Obapa Christie say o ma no nkohwe no. I'm starting from Manziba. Say only obi wo ho tama mo ho no mo ye good but as bibi e cost
na bibi si na oreja ya ba does it mean say nkwana no so yenti to mo ntama
No, Sammy, this is a classical offense in good relationship gone bad. That's a good marriage in the eyes of the public gone bad. Love. He's not a pastor. I'm calling him pastor.
ne ho na me battery
Obapa Christie ex-husband, right? Obapa Christie ex-husband. Obapa Christie last born.
son okohwe ne ba
Meaning say, on no one, but neck to your one.
kitwa pan de no ono no ni junior son waka ho asem.
Okay, fine. What I think is, you see, in the moment of offense, all of this hate and whatever that is happening, going on as for I will indulge of offense and love. A year Baba Christie former husband, say, or he says that restraint, he should do that to him. Let me say, it be a phobia or more Baba Christie very for our own. Send attentions what has here no. And with the issues of the back pain, the and sense of bad media for no. He should do that to some people in phobia. Said the Omo Kodia Warena and so Kodia Wareno or who are Baba Christie not do it, but no share pine or be fast or be who a map in Ketuan and woman. Again, they say Obapa Christie or the Neko Cotis and 80 also blue year. The court will not even allow him that pace to even say I'm going there without informing Obapa Christie. But again, it's Obapa Christie who feels say after all, I'm now married, right? Let Bible be Bible. We don't check and be but yeah, ma way in them. And man away in them, some of this out is Obapa Christie, man can't sense and then you're not for my own. And that's Obapa Christie that for my Pastor Love. Say, Pastor Love, so you can't say, and I love now, you can't say, you're tonight, or no so what the former of Papa Christie or and see because in Palawo or Montem. Well, until almost says that restraint Kakana, or more tension and bravado. Now, before say, be a Papa Christie, former husband, and then me, I thought say, is that mature and that goes that not legible. What you say? Until at least Obama said the Bible said the man is the head of the family. The woman standing bed will prevail, and that maturity in him will also show so that Obama the normal abba from but on yellow gidi say by force say me who by force say me who no again maybe your band so for say because of some of your deeds in now I don't want to get close to you. I don't want you to even get close to me. If you are based on A, B, C, D, no maybe again the bapping I can into a say no, let me stay away from you for a while. And then I'm a person who say I send some say I said Papa no nemu gu ase ne ade ntina o say obama na manakura mu say no I know the examine so twi mu tan ko so na from papa now that is their father. What I said, that is their father. Say some papa so cool you papa now. Child, that is their father. She can never deny them that access. But what this is, I say, looking at the issues surrounding and as prevailing around now, it would have been very, very, very best if the former husband, which is love, would also exercise or come on board with that knowledge and say, look, environment is not conducive for certain for now. But even when I want to see my kids in Papa now, my friend took penny for and yes, I negotiation from my ebia. What I say no, and yet Obana because I put a bema with that grant to that as I say, brand fee brother Shamparana. To me, Baden people be better, but so fine and net and such now. You know Obana Casa, you will fee into brand mobile, never cost will be an dance for it, movie. And I said, before one movie, I will share what we whom my best, baby, be our honor. But ebia see I know or sha or papa sha grounds is not that fertile for him for her to say the enquire form one and I form to form bra and no dey no one come company into pastor love and put on that coat and that bring that knowledge on board so that he will look as if as a now the jawaria then that means that baby ya kontokwa you see in Africa Africa I say Africa and Ghana answer specifically and they follow. And people say you worry they say I worry in the back now. Bonus and and man I say hatred be inquire on part of the top one they will try to bring the kids in. If they say one could man or how many pull to Colano, Papa and I say the Papa to Colano. You see me, I'm confused. So I feel it's about time we move away from these things. Me, I'm a victim. Yeah. Maybe a victim of such issues. Yeah. Right. Me a victim. See, my name I'm starting from you. But you see, Sammy, Bible is also for lack of knowledge. My people perish. So what are you also learning from this? Oh, Sammy, me, I have learned a lot because still, me, I live with the kids, right? And you see what I feel say as a father I could do wrong. My wife came or my friend Korano. Oh, Sammy, my mother came or my friend Korano. Sammy no say before COVID, no before after now. I don't know my, but they come to me every now and then. I speak to them like 10 times a day. Okay. What I say, I speak to them like 10 times a day. Maybe say like I'm telling you, me when I broke up with my wife, I said when that separation came, my little boy who was just 1 year 6 months. Okay. He was 1 year 6 months. You understand what I'm saying? But Emma made that strength to take care of them. Now they've gotten where they are now. They are grown. Now he's 6 years old. Okay. Oh, my first said Nyame, that's a stance in a way we human beings do not understand. All right. Pastor Lab, I said Lab, the former husband, Lab, he should exercise that preference and way, patience, and also make sure say at least he will bring, So only they are yes, or quack and bounce on my say a mungo. Omontemo engo, omontemo goa, and the son of Anka, it won't happen. You understand it? My memory, omontemo go, some from an so omontemo goa, when you see. But in all of these things, when say there's something fundamentally wrong, the foundation is weaker. That's when some of these things actually happen. That means a Brahman, it's not bringing that knowledge on board, or either some bad is also not bringing that knowledge on board. But in all, no, you see, two masters can never live under one roof. Okay. One has to be a master, one also doesn't have to be. You understand it? So that they'll be able to work hand in hand and make sure, say, at least, you have a sham quarano, more sham quarano, and it do something. So, it's much say, or Papa Christine, work from my husband, and say, oh, yeah, but why should this thing even come into the media? Why does it have to be a media thing, Sammy?
Okay, Mentiasia, wait or say a bullet should relax and
take a chill. If he really knows he is not dating when he should.
Cause what he is doing is
rather suspicious. I'm really enjoying the show. Thumbs up.
Watch
you live from Domi Abra.
What is wrong if bullet is dating when he should?
What's saying you're going to
no, the
Oba can say crab be who say any baby sour. Son or be patcher. Okay, also bet me to test message about near can kind.
Get rid baffle Bediamo. Or I just also watch the show on a show. No, you are doing very good job. Okay. Get rid baffle Bediamo. I just get rid baffle Bediamo.
Get rid
baffle Bediamo.
Get rid or number.
On your number, Facebook, send me also.
I'll get to do a member.
Get to baffle Bediamo.
You see, one on money.
But it's wrong.
Oh, man.
Pronunciation in asking Oxford Dictionary.
Get to baffle there. Baffle there.
Married woman with
get to the child.
I just saw came and everything.
Municipal.
Municipal everything.
I just saw.
I just saw
municipal.
Okay, hold on. Oh, didn't quit.
Okay.
Get to thanks for watching. Simon, this issue was said in the bad media. Now you can't hide anything from the media. That is one fact.
Private lives are not supposed to be.
And I'm sure said now your private life is not your private life again, unless you're not a star.
Yeah.
Or unless you don't have anything to do with the media. Don't forget Obapa Christie is a star.
You top K what there Kodyon cancer. Someone Makumasi. And Zach issue near that. The moment quickly now.
Very quickly. You are the host.
You're quite.
The Korea that's can you imagine say I'm imagining as someone not I'm imagining say Pastor Lab make it along who's your friends no why no how was it like
beginning Vienna I don't have any issue with my wife but but in marriage no who kosua ye kachrew
that's how it is
say
so what about
there de na there ni room tina ye wo akora na ye ma no nsuo na ye ma nsa
enti wunnya bibia
smooth
aware bia mu
and all of this is its knowledge
so but
God
that's it but me no can be busa wasem but your time no beko kwan afa so survive ye na daddy ne kwan afa so ma o jaware but ehun hia say my Frank for your queen.
Mr. Tikasa, no, you just need to be very careful when you're saying it. Especially because, let me be
if you don't have any.
Listen, I've not gone through that before. But I'm looking at saying, Amoshas and how was it like?
It was sweet.
She said, they moved together to the stand and said, I'm not going to Pastor Lab didn't now take more than Christian Lab.
Says on a natural and your man.
Zamina, yes, Niku.
Oh, it's what make us say because I don't want
Casa, I will be question.
We must have the answer. Yeah, we must have the answer. We must have the answer.
Yeah, great.
Then one answer.
This nice marriage. And those times, me kai, and you bow out the way. On me, no be call me kocha me no ma present sa. On be tua pa yo amoma bo. Now they were everywhere. Then suddenly, now they become enemies. Say a man who has some bread as a woman who are da woman. One is preventing the other not to see. It can happen based on how I move for some beja.
Yeah.
Based on how I move for some beja, and this answer when you are never. Also, my worry giant no. Some bread as I never cry because. Where the man is coming from and where the woman is coming from, no be or two nyame no man or nimba bubu. And so for so just but don't kasa. It too go for e fa ware. Na mu jaya say. But I don't expect to get to this level. I don't expect it. That man can be said, "Ebia, na minister say the papa na yenti." the dream or yenti or so be ban. What do you mean? When one of the tena worry when
I'm going to be finding here.
No, I don't. It was a hard truth for them. I said Samdackus. Don't go there. Say be our free say no. Berman no man na oye kanina obane hunti. O man no hunima. My goodness.
There will say it can happen.
That is why I said the about the kind the can't do now. That na me can be something so. O can the can't do much from.
One said
Obi nam ho.
Na wo mo papa say go about that. How will you feel?
Me? How will I feel?
Yes.
You feel bad, of course. But the fact of the matter is, as a Christian, like me, nothing surprises me anymore.
It is fine. Say,
Bia, nipa no hu say,
them no a good movie to the sense of
pese.
the man of
Ebe hu say,
Omumienu na go moving. Ka say be man na go moving. Omumienu na go moving. Because be man accusation or yes say oba no who dey to be say be man no ho wa no. Be man si suspect say Samdackus na one ne nam no. Me mpe na me so so ni wo bi ye. O se dey be tisa. Ano na akwa no. You see, don't let us pick the deed from one angle and just conclude and just that. No. Then man say, Abutina ko papa we are no nam no. Me so person no bi ye. O se dey bi. Onu ja esi adan to ko ba onu akwa no.
it can be said that
my brother. My brother. Uye, yeah, man, uye goes. Nja ukasa sana ba. Uni sa sana ukasa so sebi prayer sana. Entaso. It was a member out of the world. No, member there sabe man na talk one. I know nothing. Remember.
What me anka say? One ne nam no. No one ne odate no. Papa who mo say odate no.
My brother, before a married man, Chiniba, a man apart from Diamond, sebi prayer just kwatwen. And I said jealous eyo modiane. Before a married man say a man's man now, Obeka also sweat to wife for him. Now there's an eye tough truth. Apart from Daomwa, I'm going to go to baby boy more to prapa. It's also bad and the year new be an also beginning in Casa. Then he and apart from no, it is never so. And let me tell you something. I don't see why Papa would even let it get to this level. Bema know how. One in a die, also my mention. It is by bow. Sebi bread piasa. Se bema no. And onisika tidie and aso we bem kunu na ko wan ko nisika tieni o and ka bema no ukoje to boni na ka do on fiwa ka be ka se bema ne kufia na ka so and I say no and I'm giving an example your mama be ba se be brothers I want 10 ayo mo ni no awari ayo mo de nkwa no ko e ka no so me for bo mampoko I don't do that too. It's also there ayo bi you mistake na to mo nyanko one day. They want to call radio station. So to money ma. This about pebe man power pese be man ni be guase and on farm out. So to first about and Christian ten and kunu ten ya. Would you have stopped the man from coming to look at the children?
Oh, you see,
you wouldn't have. Go on, yes sir. But my men can't about say from into that. And I saw my ma, you don't perfect it say I'm crying no more. If you don't know I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Say oh my ukra, you don't want to say. They come back.
All right.
And so no matter what, maybe Papa, as you said, I mean, I would have bribed myself. Oh, I mean, my father. Now, so the point I say, as you know, married again, Papa, what's the last worry?
I have an idea.
Okay, so what your produce should be now forgetting? Oh, Benkati. Now, the woman doesn't want you to see the children. It's becoming topic upon topic. You need to concentrate on what you are doing. Some more to make people so Menka so forget now. Someone who na there na or you go to court. Don't forget that even our clan as a chairman very one. So no ba wa kwade nyam kwade dia.
Akwana nyam dia.
Ene be ma do dia.
Hwe.
Yeah. Sure. I will go to our motherline. We don't go to our fatherline. You don't know. Go and check.
Okay.
It's me. All this new one. Akwana wo twa na ntwedi kim. Ni nkokɔ ni nkɔfam na akwana wo dia. Ba sa chairman very. So no ba wa. Na ba nya sakunya. Enya ho ba. Tinma mamre na ya busha mamre kakran kan e dia bele
Kumawood TV
the show and then menim say one information and some I can ho won so betimi de wo de aba
Tesla na that's when it's American kind. That is amount. We essay and Oxford K. Lucas. I'm watching you live from Kumawood to Marseille. Kumawood TV, you are the best. Okay. Yeah, na ya kɔhwɛ video yɛne Zach GH ekodi nkɔmɔ na ne nyinaa ne sɛ honorable Kennedy Japan the seat so Monday
ɛna ɔka kakra yɛ
former
pastor junior pastor ɛwɔ Najogeze Nasore ɛna ɔbɛtena ase ɛna ɔka sɛ emre bi last year kɔdɔn cancer lewin ɛkɔ sɔfo ya sɔre ama sɔfo no hyɛ ne nkɔm sɛ ne manager a efrɛ no Zach GH ɛna ɔde padlock ɔkɔ baabi mi yɛde padlock ato kɔdɔn cancer anum sɛ ne ɛbɛyɛ a ne nnwuma wɔtoɔ ne act na ɔyɛ ɛbɛsɛ nti asɛm yi baa ɛma yɛ kan ho asɛm bebree wɔ social media TV so ne radio so ɛno mu ma Zach no ɛyɛ n'adwene sɛ ne ɔbɛkɔ sɔfo no asɔre hɔ na ɔkɔ akɔbusa sɛ asɛm a ɔde to no so no ɔnya firi he ɔkɔ yɛ mansɛnsɛm bebree sisi yɛ ɛma egu Zach anim ase bebree ɛno nkɔda Monday ɛna saa kakra yi a ɔnam so ɔka ho bi ɛpɔto yɛ
ɛma yɛde saa fake prophecy no ɛto kɔdɔn cancer na wɔn
so
ɛma yɛde kan manager ɔmo ɛba out the can sɛ ɔmo planning na ɔmo yɛ ɛnyɛ nokorɛ na sɔfo no ɛne ne nkorɔfoɔ ne planning yɛ a
ɔmo yes
wei ɛma ɛbaa yɛ no yɛn nso Tuesday yɛtwi pili ɛyɛ Zach efi yɛkɔɔ no na amanfoɔ kora to hyire ɛgu Zach so
a ɔmo ɛbɔ si
ɛno
ɛna Zach nso de ne nsɛm bebree atu yɛkɔ ebibi no na ɛba na badwafoɔ nso akyerɛ
No, baby, I'll cover the time with the Queen itself, Queen AJ Hipsy. Queen de Minya, Tenacity, and Nay, and Comotuchin, and a Conconsan Tinketiana, Becoso, a shows. So, a time with the Queen itself, Queen AJ Hipsy, and a minute, my baby. Zach GH efie and we be Zach GH efie no e fa ba bi na aye nigye e fa ba bi no so ayare ho ye pa Zach GH e bedura ye hu se na busianfo abonihire o matutu powder nyina egu no metwe pini Zach na mabisa no de enti ene ye tutu powder egu no menim sa waware na mantina afi na ye bo na ba so de ene mene na e ba ba twetwe nkomo Zach me mo aka ba Kumawood TV so
meje oso eje
apombo ko de
Yami adom.
Opa de die fra na efu.
Anye easy. Won ade abusuafo ne ai
Adofo ayo.
Adofo top K di baby.
Wa sheda.
Oni Evans.
Okay.
Amanzeba ka ho.
Amanzeba nso ka ho.
Ka ho bi ba.
Amanzeba ka ho no motutu pad. Okay.
Because omu ye nyina na woni monyuma omu boy.
Enyom ben.
People are quick to judge.
It's only God that knows best.
Exactly.
Okay.
And one and a pay omo de I am say
people are quick to judge. Mami can't stand same way and that mami bisa stand same. Enra o share the seat on the 2 TV. Utimi shebi.
Yes, me shebi.
O shebi.
Me shebi.
Sema na yakoso ho.
Your friend me. Starting ya na your friend me say me will fear American net too, but no crane so the enemy will fear because I'm a home family.
Okay.
Until I share fear, until me share near course will be
o share the course will be our okay, mami bisa eye abrantie bia ye friend kakra. Oye junior pastor of Pastor Najogeze Babetna net 2 show no so no kan sem bebre say eye ba kwajon cancer call Niger sorry mo share ne nkom se watu nanum de credo nsensem bebre no okeka omokeka nsensem bebre wo asori dem ni nyina mu no o se ntro ntwa to so bi keke na omutwa to wo so ama no kro wo mu nyina adadi e wo na 2 TV so what say sansem no sign na hu fire
Medasi eje I am med esan ya me ahokwa like ama me nsem nyina aka enum na me huni amenka atome so because I started it's exactly 1 year 2 months.
Okay.
Beginning a issue no buy and in fact I told me so sa.
Okay.
And no credit so be dead and so I told me so sa until on America say anapai out of 4 a year me say na still crying like a Jemensa. Seriously, and me ankasa me can I am me you be a mempe kasa bebre, I am mostly I try to say everything in my music.
Odi ubi bia yenyum to.
And it is a bit too quick to judge na me kai. What you meant for evil, God has turned for good. You can be my classmate, but not my classmate.
Okay.
Let's match boot for boot and see who is who. She nipa nye soto wa mine mo see no tie me. O we for nsa hwe wo de na is signing na bompa ye ne bia mbeka wo. O pemanim guase age udin so ensi.
Obi pe wanim guase de age ni du. Sofo na jo na pe wanim guase na.
Sa na bia meka no because I enkom sha o share na nyame a wo de wo to no so a ade nyina di bua na wiu yie no. Emma no kure no adedi because no more permanent guase e de age omudi. But you see what God has done.
Asem bia ahyem so ache obi say o sheda ye say o kwa akoplote o kohyewo ampa.
Asam no ba ye no am say no akra Kennedy Honorable Kennedy Japan e kan one asem say na me koho but uti kakra asam no I went there alone. Baby sakra mama trimu da because na me koho akwaji nchiremu e wasam no kan ye no but ankoba ne sa emom no opamo me efia sorry ho ama no crack of fans and bebre by but me to be honest with you yes the voice of the people is the voice of the Lord and betie ne a me my Ghana for eka na me say mama ntwa so e di me twa so wie ya no mo sama ya che me which I never said it.
So you obi yes that you.
Oh yeah, I was arrested. But thank God to say or no ankasa kakra akani nyina because he was there.
No jina obi.
Everything that went on, I was sorry for everything. Na kakra no obi. And even in sorry them one me call her that day. I saw for no. E catch any some abaho or can say. Yampamu me fi sorry ho. And yes, I'll be canumi and some egumema bravo.
Or see and pamu first.
So when yes, I'll be canumi and some eguma bravo. And God's way no bully. God's way is also one person who came to me. I saw them or he was coming to attack me.
Defamation of character.
Big time.
Yes.
Big time.
Send yourself over, Nasana Malambewo. Mona Moses and Mocha by way. Nazo Mufia Bay, you. Mufia and sign. Ona Moses and Mosia Busway. Nazo Bush and Bosom, dear Dasuit, you want in your peba baby. Okay, your beduma benya, your papa to benya, Nanso Sana.
Okay, I saw from Pony. I saw for a true Freddy from once and no can. It be no one.
Oh, Najagizi, Nazo, Memaka, one what,
Najagizi, I took
the whole West Africa. The most of Yazan, because in any grass, what up, Papa Daddy? Ever daddy, what up, Papa Daddy? I said, what is woman? I do yes, Udina Toso. Okay. What is woman? I do yes, Udina Toso. Yamuya, and Fred Radi. No, to me, Namudia, Jume. So far, what done it, dear. So far, what just a kind. So far, we see car was sorry. Oh, Najagizi, one winning, 170 minutes.
Najagizi, one winning, unse ultimate, and the Mamim Bissau. Now, also, what J. Drew, not the Bible, at Tucson. Sassing, that's medical can be. What can be done? What can be a baby that matter?
Station difference, the movie and more different. Macabi is sending grass everybody. And grass also, pam, about two. And come on,
If I Zach GH name, Quadron cancer.
Quadron cancer can now, and sick mercy.
One can say,
Quadron with Kumasi. Quadron cancer with Kumasi.
I don't fail.
I said, you with me about my position one. So if you have a cancer, me are the 12 I won't pay. What was I? The one just as I go, I won't see no now.
Timon,
ye yan hakola.
Ade Nigel one in the Wasserman.
Najegezi. Najegezi. Let me in the answer, but he said,
one in the Wasser.
Yes,
I didn't tell in the Wasser.
Tell me what I'm saying. Sabi o mazak na otwe nazaki ndida na otwe nazaki ndidi esungu a okobe ma pa osu na awero we krokro no kra o sit minya no nso so ite ba sa na emani ye me ya semini aketwa esu sa because adia enim because Ghana for bie no a onim say zak na manage ko junkansa ana me so sabi nam so me kan ho
ono no ntanko social media ono say onye obi a ota pe social media sensem niti no kojo duru ona na erade kasa chen say
oh that erade anka me nsere no on fa erade kasa kire mche so fu bi abako na choka say erade kasa kire mse ka kire nse onwa ubie no onima erade fi ubie ni wa onima nipa ne bo nipa ne dia seda me nyame o de fa nipa so what you say eji bebia be gina sabe yesi akwantu me bia ebere I never see nipa oh wa
okay that's also amama kwa ba bio ya ba Kumawood entertainment show we you can hear video no what in some Zach GH aka ensem na dawson ya twa so wo pese wo hwe full video na ko Samdackus TV the whole live be hu full video na da ho na wa hwe one top kid didn't in our cry when you're full in our top kids who are there could don't cancel the win say and someone as you see won't tune now currency kumasi but meaning I call it here what's more to na NC kumasi yeah that's say na me adoma next week ibenya could don't cancel the win na na judging komo afa this issue ehun mameni kan kwa manze ba ho because yeah from the way no obodin se na ofie ho ensema sisi ye efa prophet Najegezi akoshe nkom ama omo aba out abeka se eyenkom tro amudi gu Zach ni mase me sure say along the line also be manage ko jon cancel me kakra yeah nti wonim story no mu ayi kakra me pese odi Bambe ansana mako Francis.
Yes, I was there. When one of them cameras and microphone said by to ask Zach about the friends, the issues, the recent happenings. Same, said Ghana had no public court. He gave more than the actual court. And when the public opinion says this is how it is now, who are you to say no?
Okay.
And to now, baby, I will say now you're casting a spell on people, which in other ways it's never like that. Now, Jegezi kind of wants me. I remember someone on these issues. If it was, I don't know if it was a station, I forgot which station was in Accra. No, I still stand by what I've said some years back that Nigel is never a pastor. There have been people called, raining sort of me. For when we see things now, we say this. If it was Pastor TV Joshua, would I been saying all these things, blah, blah, blah. No, catch on and say, listen, Moshe TV Joshua and man tracking the way of doing things. You don't compare this friends boy to that man. You don't do that. Again, on Love Effect, the friend, let me sack a chair and say, me, I still don't see him as a pastor. I feel so it's just, doing the cocoa, thing, parent, what it's gymnastics, any difference in psychology. No, the end, but the BA said, you still go on instead of a whole lot of things. Some cutting say, say, be a young classmate, but I grant him that audience to speak the way he's talking because it will be a leader in breaker evidence of what he's saying. And again, that spiritual realms he's talking about haven't been there.
But although I didn't call
him, I didn't share near what you say, it's awful. But wọ́n sẹ́ bíbí emu àná abẹ́bí àná.
But obi nso bɛka sɛ ɔde saa de no ayɛ aboa no pɛn.
Same tí o jẹ́ bí tí o hwẹ́ he is done more harm than good.
That means otumi yɛ good.
No tie good no ɔbɛyɛ ne ho asi wakyɛ obi yɛ fɛn sɛ 10 Ghana wakyɛ 10 Ghana no wɔn bɔ na sum bɛbɛ 20 times.
Ana wasan fɛ akyire wasan
akɔgye osika ɛna saa nkɔfo saa na wɔn nyɛ wɔn teɛ wokyinkyim obi nsa na wagye ne kaa na wɔhyɛ n'ahyɛ ntɔ fɛn sɛ nkɔmtorɔ ne asefo nyinaa you see sometimes I mean if you do not have that eye and that knowledge now they will beat you. I agree he looks like a sharp smart boy or guy. What I said and to me I wasn't surprised when this issue happened someone last year let me first Zach catching Zach say no who say could you wear a friend saying I call Nigeria sorry Emma Nigeria share control be one but me I feel say it's not real me that's how I feel it's not real I called Zach I said you what I'm saying listen man so me that's why I told him seven so see a man's about oh yeah pa the boy you walk no bobo bi na nitin ne wa oze gbonu bo tu abuka
there been asa we no anya kojo
tie
ene na hyehyɛ
samiti me can send this here so you see one nya kojo na ne hyehyɛ what you say ba kojo ye kojo kan sa no ndara do o ye nipa bi a ho oye na Bible na kase nso ahu ni anhwe no that's how it is oje no ma bidi
oh to oje abosom di
oje sa no ma ni
ensa oje nyame di like asofofo di
oje sa yenkwa oje sa no ma ni di okay I know kudu kakra what you say make us me le pa me say I know him
that's like otunro kakra
listen I don't want to bring me say oje sa no ma ni
I say obi a oje sa no ma ni di that's how practice
no you see Same obedi bibi edi ho what say be oh okay me come hwe what I say me I have never been to any place of assault with him on those things I haven't what I say and I told Zach says that listen some of these guys some of the so called assault for your mobile small boys na baba no omo de omo say listen e din no mo pe you catch Zach say e din na omo pe on to me share me amanzeba nkom and can't tell me next year you send me a man's about me I'll make $1 million. Oh to me seven come. Any news?
Any news is because of 7 years superstar.
Because I'm not one in me. Nobody knows me.
Okay.
Someone just say any news. They want to be news. But so check with you cancer the way because I some channel in the full glare of the camera and the public, now it becomes news. Everybody will pick it up. The bloggers, that's what they are waiting for.
And so obi the second cancer so about sorry na one share come so a.
You don't say so about sorry na one share come so a. That is say, oh that means that and na kojo so na corner na okoho. He was expecting such thing to happen. Say you be share him come. I'm telling you this.
Na say and na just be anu na hye ho.
No me see now dey beat you. Me see corner okoho no.
Na on him say.
No okose I will ashiritim say o.
Okwa me ahye ne nkom.
Okwa me ahye ne nkom. O te se me ko hwe. Ati no say ase no omka fa sa akwa we hu no asofo we hu no.
No kra.
No kra. Ampa so kwa no kuku hu yi nti kokko oni. I say
na one betima ma
prophet no info ama no mo say okay the manager ni
yes say you see my mentor we can send him child and na asofo na mo ba no a lot of them a bimu asofo no bimu they are good ones among they are good ones the minister say he is a good pastor I'm telling you
sana woka
no same
obi ase ne de
same le be cho me sofo on this the first consultation for say we bra mo fa we bra he doesn't take any of those things on this one the friend reverend Emmanuel come redemption church or that man here e mo bisa DJ Lofty mo bisa virgin prince didn't know the pastor man
ya time no ya area
same asma me came say and when I told Zach said this is the situation and he also felt no man making a man now there's some talk of sort there's not talk of sort there right but Zach so call no me catch him na ko news akwan san ye we na ko news o ma hye gwa tete na ga na be kan what I say this anyone dey hye did that Mama ko Frank so but man no see wa enti me I wasn't surprised but again no hwe say ye Ghana for ye no to for any celebs o mo ha no when they do not stop taking say somebody somewhere is doing them now some distance will continue till that kingdom come. Okay. Reason to make us go each other say it got to a point now na could do no more. This is how it is. Obu and there suffer back and now way back what I said no one with you no one will ever have no one will ever cut no
no top came and nam top
was part
and so now or come
also the part at the man so for so one to cause us in your or okay you understand it but we spoke very well about it he didn't listen and you see Zach and Kujon Kasalo me for say personally honestly Kojo Kasalo when had done the service to himself and I feel this is the time for him to bow down and apologize on all of these things. Say
or apologizing to Zach.
Or apologize to Zach. Top K. Me and Kasemi mo me apart. He got the point Kojo Kasalo when say maybe I'm can you imagine this man? He was running all over radio.
Issue no so.
Oh, Sammy, and you know me, I feel it's about time it's about time to do with the system from some of this. So now I will be able to say, oh, Chetini Pound, so Obi our school. Nadi Yanko, no, we saw go school soon.
No, I don't want to bring education to
No. As some make them detail. Oh, not some, not this.
There are a lot of people. I'm of course.
I agree with you. No, let listen to me.
Yeah,
Miss Tio, Obi won't go school, but the level of appreciation and understanding of issues, no, are different. Some people. Okay.
One make you point. Your time is
so. I am happy.
I think that this is the time I will say
yes, I am happy that
you solve this issue.
You see me, I am happy that this thing has happened. But once bitten, twice shy.
Okay. And baby, I'm to na so the
I see I said John Cancer, Zach, and I said, the new pass of Panacho. Namusa said, not Zach, can say. What did Prophet Nagabias of the Cocoa?
And then for us,
you're right,
oh, you're right, but can make a truth say a home here. Maybe dear, our advice was forgot about the court issue. And some of us you made your point of view. Media. You see, you're so home to Quaqua. When you go on your
and that's for the amount of court.
Oh,
I don't know what in it.
Home to Quaqua, Yankupon, Uncle now. Zach, no one who to Quaqua. And Yankupon and Aquaman. If he doesn't know, it was all didn't talk on Aquaman and talk on the phone. I'm telling the truth. Okay. He has been exonerated, and that is the most important thing. The young pass and the proper dead say on far power and to live with.
Because interview no can say still not from there, no say come the ballot at two and one. O still now born young, o act, we will be there.
Some people going for drain. And I know the ancestor wouldn't want to be
our annual.
Oh, that may cut no, we're a lighter note of what they discussing. But me cry no only be South Story, only the here no, and then me here me cry. The here me pass on young pony, munyam, yamidi, for seno.
Okay.
Go for food. I don't go for car, but the
pass on nearly the effect that the brain you could do no benyan or.
Me see, I don't know where as my can when they talk people and why dear to me, oh, that get them show. Says stop for and go for any regime. I am going to be fake. Now, Papa, woman, I dare this will be fake.
I'm a farmer for you.
Me battle. I don't imagine where me are.
Okay.
Say, I was a son of my bastard. Obo, man, this Christus said, I knew you pay you. Now, him was an assault of Christ, and nothing. No, they were compelled them, said, judgment at him would be already different. When him sat down, bend the bomb, say, Kikrina in there, so no. Obie, bunny dear, I couldn't test it yet. But I saw some Christ and I'm a Hano, and you could do Granamis and a some grand eyes here.
But so often we will not content.
Exactly. It's man compelled. I don't know. the way I go for so baby what did you was ask of food. Aya, I'm going to be just and tricky in this Pocodon is acrobatics. No, aya, I'm going to go pong, deal with you, and I'm around. Because I'm not going to come in so. In Yamana, someone, someone, sign Yamana, some of us. The dear want to swap man for person who focus. A Kumawood, who are there to say, I Kumawood, I Kumawood, I Samdackus, I couldn't even visit focus. One episode go focus. Body, and young was some year. There no on Jacka. It's no, yeah, come and I could say. Sanyamano, Nimun to sound. I just semi previous, and I'm even shocked. That one damn general power. In commission. The easiest thing Christo be a bit machine. Somehow who question me found Yajuma. It is the easiest thing. One of the gifts that is simple for so many and comes out matter. Okay. It's a number why people cannot pray to get that gift. Now someone to go and trick is in nada and the psychology.
Over to us, but my member
serious.
Phone in line and to sona. Wow, person. In some I can come home, you know, with my friends is here. Now, Yakitrain and come on. 0200 603 602 0200 603 602 and some I can you know what I didn't no cancer Yakudri Lewen Uncle Pat and former manager Chava and I said Uncle Pat hello.
Hello.
Yeah, good morning.
Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Hello, good morning, Kama. But you're Danny, like I say.
Danny, okay.
Coming now, Mohoya. Morning, Kama, but you're Danny, I know what I say. Danny, I know what I say.
So, suffer that.
Hello.
So, suffer Danny now.
Hello, good morning.
Suffer Daniel, Kasai.
Danny, like I say. I was your phone to say.
Men see you more TV no on. 15 minutes and Granafe, Television Kasai, we are not opportunity in the way. But hello? Sir, what's your more TV now? One TV. I'm going to tell you about it. You're back. You're back to us. Okay, I saw some of my father with my friend also what you are doing about over TV volume from that TV Akasa. Hello?
Yeah?
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
But you didn't know with you.
Your friend Marcus, make yourself record as West State.
Okay. Me too.
I'm you're looking good. That is when I think you are. About this issue, this also for my boys, so I had you. No more you every year to club at Santem. I want to know if I'm going to Christ who comes and will come everybody know. Because you can stay everywhere. And then the other thing I think, we came with you. Yeah, I'm okay. I think something different. I can't tell you. Whatever he was saying, I think that it was true. And true to amount about what he was saying to I said, and the same. So I think they should desist from whatever they are doing, and seek God church from the Kuni Power, and perform the panel. We cannot say, wow, the empire, when they cheat. So, the Kuni, no, good, so they tattoo, so they cannot do too, so we will see the opposite of the trouble. We will say, hello, good morning. But we didn't make a separate from me. But the meeting actually that GH me say nipa de no ho from so. Nti ebeya le win ba no be patcho wa me de me tell win de tie bia no oba be patcho. Nti oba on fan channel na nipa de no ho from so. Why? Yeah, hello, good morning, Sammy.
Good morning, but you didn't
But you're done in our Sunday. First, no man to mock us. The trainer said, Nahu Sam would man with him. I think the program come up. Nanisam. You with the Casala Kafa, Wapa Kidiano. On any chrono. Very, very unfortunate. Sir Obano. And per se, Obapa Kunubaro Shaneba. So deny a Korana dia. Some Papa Merena, I think say you're right. I think say make it every means possible. So the Papa being affairs to the mano. The Papa I am responsible, so you know her. You better say on Shanema. In Canada, on your careful. Namenda Jack Diamaso. Very unfortunate to say. Obi some person come back later young will say at the Juma. That doesn't mean some come say be at the Juma. Meaning say you are so for power. So long as I am negative no or positive or I may put you up with my back and say Opa Nabupon Eddie no what will fina no corner babontin. And no should be enough than so taking legal aspect, you know. The Nabupon Abuano and I'm who say the correct into legal aspect you.
Okay, so we better ask your time, hello. Yeah, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good evening, baby. I'm very free.
The bachelor of women manager. The professor Kumawood.
Okay, but I'm going.
The bachelor of the Kakra. A man, I say a man, one and a number of police. I was to say, I told you, they say, the women, when they a class for you. The say, was sending the monarchy on for and Pabama and Mama Sieno. What? If I did, your blood, but the most is the Mother said, your don't share, police in our problem. If you say, I cannot see so now. When you be Christian Lanka from the bed, Malaka, the best problem, no, am I? Talking to them from the other. No brown after my successful work about to do my contaminated one. Talk about to do my contact. When you can afford the about to do a contact. And the others I didn't see in our university. Whether you should please to know the way of channel, after a say, yes, you should police. Okay. I'm not watching no doubt.
I have been happy.
Oh, I know they said not there how possible so because talk who's talking. Oh, then what was saying? First of listen, even let me tell you something. I think you can say no. So for the same and come. And the number was of Quabeso. And I saw for show come let me tell you. My brother. So for no shame comes out and I can answer no just of people. So for gazer. Oh, you see, you would laugh, but understand them. Meba, Utikuma, not Luwen, Bawa Soria. Luwen, Soria, no. And I don't no, for so for the Desmacato said, and only myself for it. Oh, nothing is about me. Oh, Banura, as a man of outside, your husband do not want to be factual and real on this issue. Oh, my, software, stars, the corner, stars, so. so for the mess be mun net to no is just small boy but
because that's no this and follow.
Oh no, see, as American, oh yeah, I'm supporting that nonsense thing he's doing. No, let me catch you say, and my name question as a soft trade or damn the baby, on your beer, sorry, let me long. Colobia, Calvin, sorry, man, come in. I'm alone, I
am control.
Oh, I'm making the point. You are wrong. 10 seconds.
Abba, of them said the way to Jimmy Dintino, and so also take us against that PH. I can't name some kind now. But no, sir, may catch a kiss to the Biase. Science and wood, man, in one. Or Bible, ya trust. And when you query, I told you for a pepper. Maybe a young wedding. Cost so yummy, that cost so yummy. Letting you go. Send your men not as da or a net and when yamet or a name or extra yamet. It is just handsome when the mamma kiss to the Jackson papa or Bimbo. Rabbi Simon catches wash and I'm moody. Or let you that, or let you that I know with Jawi. Or so now.
Rabbit of the Shah,
I go focus on Kumawood. I'm telling the Christians, also some young some people are so Christo.
I'm about 30 seconds.
It is very important.
My little advice I'm living my after say. And men no as to say yeah baby ya dream e be hu nkofo a and as so called as of na e bi mu a e bi obeti be hu omu ansa. You see enya so bia na ewre mu na fie bia so na ewre mu so be wura say fie ni mu a Same you ought to pray to God and ask God say Yakobon emie weni na hu aso na wo kom asoma wo akosom wo no. Meme de same sabio meme aso ya kwa be ni ye. E ma sorry ya ba ko pe e ka redemption church e wo da aban e wo Kumasi ana. Baby a wo bia e wo bi wa cry we enfan fa baby wo ba Kumasi am so. Take a time and come and listen to the man of God. Meme de me I am a pet. Aso ya we say Bible. Essence aso ya ye nkonya kokko ni tuntum oni kokko oni no memempe me so for a friend prophet Emmanuel Amoa Calvary Redemption Church e pacho aya petai na bra the devil tinya
na se kra de onabo kana Japan leakage ana say amanfo ho nsem a e ba ne asofo akase ho nsem e ba ama asori kra nshede nya ne
ebema sa no no so sa
oh but it's true e ba
I me tell say your mom nya I me tell say your mom
ewo
definitely no so definitely no they definitely
will affect the church no definitely but ebema ye nya da ho no mbo sa no so say wo ye di da wa so dem bebebe no e so bete
collection so bete
meme dia anka bebo am because and the collection na ya turi ni no aso for we talk as akese kwa na
no masa I don't tell what the Christo the Bible man like say o to offer I don't think I'm better
what is wrong
but so for typical job say nyagidie na fa one city na aka no fa beto obedu fie
Same
aso ba ya be ka say o ye be ka say ye friend say ye hia say be bomb pa
I want to know
but say so for dia ye say hia sika ye to boa
Registrasto yatimi anka wase
e kura so ya o da video
awache ye come on
no me see da bi na nado am ready then I watch it be on the good so that's no I don't see anything wrong with what people are saying about
all right
Young Naso
final we be bia quick
all the final thing say ya da Kumawood TV ben for us say tem be ba konya ke some man to talk about focus ya da masipa jingles ne ya mo mai nya ya one city da the team Kumawood the power water say na me man be gan chance
okay
chairmanship
okay
once mo be
come
oh me tell Samdackus and baba girl now I want for
yeah
bon père c'est la déjà quoi non
on sait
exactly c'est net ya man story but me channel no comment channel why and me cha akosia kakridana on the floor
on them wife
on the floor so also bravo
me say chair my wife
and oh so why so all the that's what this
me say chair my wife camera ni hwe na chair my wife
yeah so Samdackus here ya tu ni camera onye bi so Samdackus here say me ira wo ba je say he
on say last week and be say
but yeah camera ni mo no say camera ni camera ni me show Samdackus here get down Obano or Banapacho, or they are coming to pa. It's no for Patata.
Abaziba which show we are
my member will use a free move. Say, well, one fan about.
okay.
I didn't dare say, but make sure my minchia, a year, and and Tama property. Now, minchia, a friend say, a year, man, a year, Sean and Bob, which you and will be an almost promotion, almost and basis of motion, and Mrs. Chairman, and many about sounds awful.
Okay. Yemrenason, Abra Grace, Medofo Pametiao, any baby girl out in a mammy. Yankupon and Shop, only a Bosian and yeah, more discipline, Mokaka.
No, me, I'm just asking.
Me Pacho.
So we did your display.
Sure. Me did some work of not that coming and did you who charming. You remember they above was say, Uchinozo, producer, and I feel so. Jim cameras in the Maya, Loretta, and Augustina, and so on in J room. AJ Hips in the producer. More year won't Jumadi in Ben. Yankopon in Shram, Medin Bill, Eddie somewhat. Dako. And then I hope I saw a shot. Ko YouTube. Samdackus TV. Over Corneda Ho. Aha. And now Facebook also. And so Kumawood TV. Over Corneda Ho. Now wash it. DJ Lottie. Also Mitchell. Yami Adumada Sebe. Yebe Sanjia.